Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Free Studies. Today we will learn about thermometer. The temperature of a body is measured using a device called thermometer. Thermo is a Latin word that means heat. Thermometers work on the principle of expansion of liquids on heating. A thermometer has two standard markings on it, known as the fixed points of temperature, which always remains the same. The lower fixed point is the temperature at which ice melts at the sea level, and the upper fixed point is the temperature at which pure water boils at the sea level. The three scales used for measurement of temperature are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. Now we will learn about types of thermometer. There are two types of thermometer: laboratory thermometer and a clinical thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is used in laboratories for measuring temperature while performing experiments. It consists of a very fine capillary tube protected by a thick glass tube called the stem of the thermometer. The lower end of the capillary tube is converted into a glass bulb filled with mercury, and the upper end of this tube is sealed. The stem is marked in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The commonly used laboratory thermometers have a range from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Celsius. The lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius or minus 10 degrees Celsius. When the thermometer is in contact with a hot body, the mercury in the capillary tube expands and rises up. But when the thermometer is in contact with a cold body, the mercury in the capillary tube contracts and falls down. So, this is all about laboratory thermometer. Now, we will learn about a clinical thermometer. The laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the human body temperature. Thus, a clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a human body. The construction of a clinical thermometer is same as that of a laboratory thermometer. The only difference is that there is a slight bend in the stem just above the bulb. This bend is also known as kink, which prevents the movement of mercury back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of a person's mouth. The clinical thermometer has a range from 35 degrees Celsius, which is its lower fixed points, to 42 degrees Celsius upper fixed point, because temperature of human body never goes beyond these limits. The normal body temperature in human is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we will learn how to use a clinical thermometer. Wash the thermometer before use, mostly with an antiseptic solution, and dry it using a cotton swab. Hold the thermometer firmly and give it a few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 degrees Celsius. Now place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue for about 2 minutes. In case of a child, place it below the armpit and not in the mouth. After 2 minutes, take out the thermometer and read the mercury level of the thermometer by holding it horizontally in the line of sight. This gives your body temperature in degrees Celsius. Some thermometers are marked in Fahrenheit. These thermometers have a range from 94 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 35 degrees Celsius, to 108 Fahrenheit, which is 42 degrees Celsius. So, this is all about thermometers. Now, we will learn about the precautions to be taken by using a thermometer. Thermometer should be washed before and after use. Reading the thermometer by holding it horizontally so as to keep the level of mercury along a line of sight. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break. Don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. Do not sterilize the thermometer in boiling water as this will break the bulb. Avoid keeping the thermometer in the sunlight or near a flame. It may break. So, this is all from my side. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel for more interesting and knowledgeable videos. Thanks a lot.